that empower them. They don't need to ask you for nothing. Wow. This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for that. Right.
Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bril coming back at you again with another video, and today I got something special in store for you guys. I'm gonna be doing my curly hair method, but not on myself. I'm actually gonna be doing it on one of my partners. So, alright, there we go. I'm gonna be doing my curly hair method on this man right here. The first step of this is, guess what it is?
The hair porosity test. Okay. Ah, he didn't think I knew, but I knew.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some scissors, we're gonna grab a cup, and we're gonna grab some water, and we're gonna cut his hair. So we did the hair porosity test, and his hair came out low porosity, you feel me? Because we got a deep condition, you know what I'm saying? Step 2 is the deep condition, and we're using the Rich Royal hydration treatment. And you see right now I'm just working in the deep conditioner into his hair, making sure that there's no piece of hair left behind, you know what I'm saying? I want to get it evenly distributed. Right here you see me substituting using the pick because his hair is not quite long enough to use the easy detangler. There's nothing wrong with using the pick, but you got to make sure that your hair is fully moisturized with water and whatever conditioner you use. And the Royal Hydration treatment is a great product to use while you're detangling, you feel me? Right now I'm just going back and make sure that I get every strand, because the last thing I want to do is, you know what I'm saying, have them up here on this video and I'm picking dry hair. So I go back to make sure every piece of hair has that conditioner up there. If you don't deep condition and detangle properly, your curls will not be fire, bro. That's just the rules of the game. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure that you deep condition and detangle properly. Putting the shower cap on him, and I'm about to put the blow dryer on his head, because the heat from the blow dryer is going to help the deep conditioner get inside the hair. You know what I'm saying? It's going to help the moisture get inside the hair. If you got low porosity, you definitely want to make sure you use that extra heat to get it inside your hair. If you don't know what your porosity is, then just better safe than sorry. Use that blow dryer, man. This is just a sample bottle, so don't trip. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking for it in stores, or if you're looking for it online, this is what the real deal Holyfield Rich Royals curl cream will look like. You know what I'm saying? You see how much swag is on that bottle. We take a lot of pride in presentation, you feel me? But so I'm just gonna throw the curl cream on his hair and whatnot, and just like the deep conditioner, I'm trying to make sure I thoroughly get it on his hair. And you see me in the back, I'm just mixing just a little bit of gel with the curl cream as I put it on his hair. Boom. Making sure that I get every area of his hair, you know what I'm saying? His hair is damp right now, but not completely wet. Boom. And right now I'm just gently using my hands to rub the curl cream in, and you literally see the curls forming as we go along. Look at that. Boom. Rubbing every section of his head, and you see the curls forming. You know what I'm saying? Make sure when y'all do this, you don't just rub the front and not the back. You know what I'm saying? You want to rub each section of your hair equally. And I'm not pressing down hard on his scalp. I'm barely touching his hair right now. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna add a little bit more water right here. Just a little bit more water so it looks fresh. And then I'm gonna double right back. And then I'm gonna use that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use that blow dryer just because he had somewhere to go all of a sudden. So, you know what I'm saying? I had to, you know, try to hurry it up a little bit. That's why you see the frizzes, because I'm using the blow dryer, because, you know what I'm saying, we had to kind of push this along, move it along. But man, the finished product looked pretty good. Look at him, man. He don't even recognize himself. His light skin capabilities are now here, bro. I helped him realize his light skin capabilities. Look at him, bro. He don't know how to act. Looking at no curls. He can't believe it. If you're feeling these results, man, subscribe right now, man. What's poppin', y'all? It's King Bril, and if you're still watching this far, I appreciate you, man, and congratulations, because you just won yourself a chance to win completely free hair products from Rich Royals. On November 11th, which is this coming Wednesday, 2 lucky individuals will be receiving 1 free jar of the brand new Rich Royals curl cream, 1 free jar of the Rich Royals Royal Hydration Treatment Deep Conditioner, 1 free Royal Cleansing Agent Shampoo, and 1 free Royal Growth Serum. First, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, so go ahead and click subscribe. You have to leave 5 comments down in the YouTube box, and I am counting. You gotta leave 5 comments down in the comment box, and then you have to go over to richroyals.com, and at the very top of the homepage you must enter your email and your first name. We're gonna look and see who commented 5 times. I'm gonna look in your subscribers to see if you subscribe to the channel. We'll hit you up directly and make sure that your email is already in the system. And with that being said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment box. Hit the like button, and that's all for this video. It's King Bril. Peace.